Ever wondered if there's a better way to manage all your videos and images? Like one platform to rule them all? Well, I've got two contenders for you today, Cincopa and Cloudinary. Let's find out who's the real MVP. Stick around, you won't want to miss this. Now, when it comes to storing and sharing your multimedia, whether it's marketing videos, product demos, or online courses, Cincopa and Cloudinary have your back. But which one really stands out? First one, Cincopa. Imagine a sleek platform where you can upload and organize videos, images, and podcasts. You get custom galleries, live video options, and even analytics to track engagement. But here's the kicker. Syncopa's video API lets you control the entire viewing experience. No tech degree needed. Plus, security is tight with encryption and dynamic watermarks. Then there's Cloudinary, which is like the ninja of media management. It's a powerhouse for image and video APIs with real-time transcoding and content-aware compression. You can deliver media in any format, anywhere. And for those who need e-commerce integration, Cloudinary's got you covered. Think seamless product images and video optimization. Trust me, they make managing millions of assets feel like a breeze. Here's where it gets interesting. Cincopa shines with its user-friendly, customizable video galleries, while Cloudinary flexes its muscle with powerful APIs for real-time video transformations. So if you're looking for something easy to set up and super organized, Cincopa might be your best friend. But if you need that raw power and scalability for complex media workflows, Cloudinary is your go-to. Both platforms have their perks, but it all depends on what you need. Want a streamlined solution with awesome media galleries? Cincopa. Need a robust, scalable system that handles a massive load of assets? Cloudinary's got your back. So what do you think? Ready to try one of these out, or do you need more convincing? Drop a comment and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech breakdowns. Until next time, happy media managing.